Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to install GitHub Desktop on Ubuntu 24.04. And yes, we're doing it the easy way. If you've been missing that clean, beginner-friendly GitHub Desktop experience on Linux, this is the video for you. Let's get straight into it. First, add the Flathub repository using this command. Well, Flathub is already installed on my system. Install GitHub Desktop from Flathub using this command. The dash system flag installs the application for all users on the system. Now just wait for the installation to complete. GitHub Desktop is a GUI tool that makes working with Git and GitHub easier. No typing long commands, no terminal headaches. You can clone repos, commit, push, branch, all with buttons. And thanks to Flatpak, installing it on Ubuntu 24.04 is smoother than ever. You can check the version installed using this command. After installation, you can open it from your app menu by searching GitHub Desktop. Sign into your GitHub account and you're good to go, and that's it. GitHub Desktop is now installed and running beautifully on Ubuntu 24.04 using Flatpak. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe if you're new, and let me know in the comments what other Linux tutorials you want next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.